In this video, I'll guide you through how you can block keyword on Google Chrome. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video.
At the beginning, you need to open Google Chrome and click on its search icon. Now you need to hover a mouse on extension and click on Visit Chrome Web Store. Once you come to the Chrome Web Store page, then search for block sites. Once you find this extension, then click on it and then click on Add to Chrome. Then this kind of pop-up will appear on your screen and click on Add Extension. Now you need to wait for a few seconds to add this extension on your browser. Once the extension will be added on your browser, then this page will open. Once you come to this block site page, then click on Add to Block List. Now on this search box, you need to type your keyword which you want to block on Google Chrome browser. Let's think, if you want to block Facebook keyword, then type Facebook and select this Facebook keyword and click on Done button. Let's open a new page and search for Facebook. Then you will see this keyword is blocked. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily block keywords on Google Chrome browser.